We come to this event because it's one of the premier business and property networking events in the county. A lot of our ambassadors are here, so it's really great to catch up with them, and it's really, really encouraging to see Lincolnshire thrive.
I've been here for about an hour and I've literally walked down one row and I've had conversation after conversation. It's been really positive. Halfway through the show and really enjoying it.
We've been attending this event for the past 5 years and we were pleased to be the headline sponsors for this year. It's important in the construction industry to be seeing a good footfall of people and businesses in our sector.
I've been to the one in Nottingham before and found it really good. This is our first time exhibiting here and it's been good. I was saying to someone earlier, if we could just meet one subcontractor that could add value, the whole day's been worth it, and I met a few actually, so it's been really useful, yeah.
Today's been absolutely positive. Yeah, it was a great day, a great venue, really good turnout. I've been really busy today. We're looking forward to be back next year.